Hey friends, for the latest puzzle solution, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver.
Welcome to our channel Puzzle Solver. The puzzle here which we're gonna solve is known as apple, orange, tomato and banana puzzle. Here we have so many equations which are having fruits on it, and in this kind of puzzle we have to take one item and found out all other items value with respect to that selected item, so that in the end it will be easy to have value of at least one item, and if we'll have value of one item we can put them on other equations and find out other items value. So let's start. Before jumping into our detailed solution, I would like you to solve this puzzle by your own. So let's pause this video for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle. Friends, please share your answers in our comment section. Your time starts now. Three, two, one, stop. So friends, now jumping on to our detailed solution. We will first take our first equation. In the first equation we have apple and orange whose sum is equal to 10. But friends, we don't have any of the value for these items, so I'll rearrange the equation and I'll find out the value of apple with respect to orange. So here I am taking orange as my selected item, so I'll find out value of other present items in the terms of orange. So I'll consider this as my first equation. Now jumping on to our second equation. In the second equation we have apple and 3 bananas whose sum is equal to 0, 9. So banana would be equal to 9 minus apple, and from the first equation we have value of apple that is equal to 10 minus orange. Putting that value here and solving this equation, I'll get 3 bananas value in the terms of orange. So 3 bananas value would be equal to 9 minus 10 plus orange, so that is equal to orange minus 1. So 3 bananas value is equal to orange minus 1. So this is end of our second equation. By the end of second equation we have got two equations, that is apple is equal to 10 minus orange and 3 bananas is equal to orange minus 1. Both the items are with respect to orange. Now jumping on to our third equation. In the third equation we have orange and tomato, and we don't have any of the value, so I'll find out value of tomato in terms of orange. So that would be equal to tomato will go to right hand side, that will become plus, and 0 2 will come to the left hand side, so it will become minus. So tomato is equal to orange minus 2. So I have rearranged this and written here tomato is equal to orange minus 2. That is our third equation. Now jumping on to our fourth equation. In the fourth equation we have 3 bananas and 1 tomato whose sum is equal to 0, 5. Now we already have solved in our second equation and third equation and found out value of tomato and banana in terms of orange. So if I'll put those equations here, I can easily have value of orange. So putting the values here, banana is equal to 5 minus tomato. So tomato is equal to orange minus 2. I have written orange minus 2 here, and now I'll open the bracket. On opening the bracket, if bracket has minus sign in front of it, then all the signs present inside the bracket will become opposite of that. That means plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So this equation will become banana is equal to 5 minus orange plus 2. Now we know banana is equal to orange minus 1. So I have written banana in place of banana, orange minus 1 is equal to 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus orange. On solving this equation, I'll get value of orange, that is orange is equal to 7 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So from the fourth equation we have found out value of our orange, that is equal to 4. Now once we have value of orange, we can put all those in our equations and find out value of remaining items. So if orange is equal to 4, so orange minus 2 was equal to tomato, so tomato would be equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So 1 tomato is equal to 2. Now banana is equal to orange minus 1, orange value is 4, so 3 bananas would be equal to 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. That means 1 banana would be equal to 1. Now the first equation was apple plus orange is equal to 10. So apple is equal to 10 minus orange, that is 4, is equal to 6. Putting all these values in our final equation and finding out our final answer. So let's solve our final equation. In the final equation, we have 1 apple minus 2 bananas plus half orange into 1 tomato. So we have value of all these items which we have to put here. So 2 cherries is equal to apple value is 6 minus 2 bananas are there. So friends, if 3 bananas is equal to 3, so 2 bananas would be equal to 2. So 6 minus 2 plus orange value is 4 into tomato value is 2. Now we have written all the items value here. Now we have to solve this equation using BODMAS rule, and according to the BODMAS, firstly we have to do the multiplication sign and then we have to add, and then in the end we have to subtract. So on multiplying 4 into 2, I'll get answer as 8. So 6 minus 2 plus 8. Now I have to add these, that is 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Now 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So if 2 cherries value is equal to 12, so 1 cherry, that is our final equation, would be equal to 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. So we have solved this puzzle. Thank you friends. Thank you for being with us. Hope you liked the puzzle. Please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more puzzles and riddles. Thank you. Bye.